If you've had your gallbladder removed, listen to this healing. We'll remove all negative energy left from your hospital stay. Energy waste, lingering energies, entities of any dimension and form. From above, below, right, left, inside, outside, behind, and in front of you. We send it to other universes, dimensions, dark matter and energy, black holes. Will separate your mind from your body, spirit from your body, and send your mind and spiritual experiences to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and wormholes of the universe and unknown places. Will remove all effects of your mind on your gallbladder, surgery and recovery. We remove it from your quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells. We send your mind with all its resistance to explore other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes, wormholes, and unknown realms. Let's strengthen your central nervous system, reinforcing your spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tailbone. We tense and relax your entire midline to 100%, unlocking infinite potential constantly with finite time. We remove the weakening energy of surgical trauma, eliminating the vulnerability from being opened, manipulated, and exposed. We erase all trauma your body endured, reducing it to zero and beyond continuously for infinite time. We fill your gallbladder area with neutral energy, unconditional love, and complete acceptance. We fill that area completely, top, bottom, right, left, inside out, back and front, with 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time infinitely. Let's integrate the energy vesicle into your body and your body into the energy vesicle. We'll connect the energy vesicle to the central nervous system and the midline, back and forth. We make this connection and integration from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll connect the liver to the pancreas and the pancreas to the liver. We reconnect the gallbladder to the digestive system and vice versa. We'll rebalance the gallbladder with all its energetic connections. We make these connections both ways, equally from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, 100% potential, infinite time. Let's balance and center the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder connection in all possible ways. We remove all weaknesses from liver, gallbladder, pancreas, duodenum, stomach, and esophagus. And erase them to zero minus infinity 100% of the time. We'll align gallbladder with liver, pancreas, duodenum, stomach, esophagus, centered and stable. Let's strengthen the physical potential of the digestive system. Boost strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, flexibility, 100% infinite potential. Will erase all weaknesses to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time. Will erase memories of medical negligence, done, received, seen, heard, or ordered. Also erase effects of hearing negative experiences after diagnosis. Lost the gallbladder to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's separate again the weaknesses of mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, liver, appendix, anus, rectum, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas and stomach, and erase them to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We reintegrate the gallbladder into this system in the proper order to function energetically. We'll integrate it again and all these components into the gallbladder from top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front and front to back at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase memories of bad treatments, meds, and diagnoses you made, received, saw, heard, or ordered. We boost digestion of fats as food passes through the small intestine. We enhance liver bile production and storage for optimal function. We eliminate issues from gallbladder removal, diarrhea, indigestion, and fat intolerance. We remove resistance to lifestyle changes. We strengthen the bile duct, which carries bile to the small intestine. We fully strengthen this connection, 100% potential, all the time, infinitely. We erase all accumulated physical pain from before surgery. We eliminate pain during and after surgery. We erase it completely and permanently to the fullest extent possible. Let's strengthen the central nervous system for its proper functioning. Will boost the internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of the digestive system's energetic gallbladder and yours overall. Will strengthen it to 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. Will remove all obstacles hindering the proper functioning of this system. We erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. I empower you to reboot your body, mind, and spirit, strengthen to recalibrate your thinking, perception, and awareness, and strengthen to reprogram your life's purpose. How do you feel now? The same or different?